Hi, it's Kaylee Heaps from the Heaps Estrin team. Welcome to 33 Rose Park Drive. This is one of my favorite houses in my favorite pocket, or one of my favorite pockets of Moore Park. It's the pocket I grew up in, which is just northwest of Yonge and St. Clair. Please come join me for a tour. This house will have you at hello. It is an elegant center hall beauty with breathtaking curb appeal and a beautifully renovated interior to match. The stunning interior has been beautifully renovated and includes a designer chef's kitchen with a lovely eat-in sunroom overlooking the south lot. The setting is truly captivating. Owned by the same family for more than 45 years, this property has flourished. Bask in the privacy and tranquility offered by the virtually undisturbed yet beautifully landscaped lush gardens. One immediately has a sense of being at one with nature thanks to the mature landscaping and the canopy of trees at your doorstep. Beautifully positioned with southern exposure, the home is illuminated by ample natural light, filling the space with vibrant energy and sunshine, making even the longest winters feel bearable. Located in the family-friendly, low-traffic pocket of Moore Park, this home sits conveniently within walking distance to Yonge and yet is tucked away from its vibrant bustle. Enjoy this tight-knit community where children can run and play. The property is complete with ample parking and a full-height lower level with a second kitchen. All of this and more make 33 Rose Park Drive a wonderful family home to cherish and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me for the tour of this very special property in Moore Park. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book a private tour, please feel free to reach out directly and we'd be happy to help you. Every home tells a story. It's time to write yours.